Maybe raise the question of whether it should be, but I don't know the answer to that.
About the first time you heard it, not the first time you and I talked about it. But what do you make of it, David, that there seems to be, here's the control you got before me.
I guess what I would say is it makes for good movie, it makes for good questions, and, bring it on, because I've been at this now for, I think someone told me this is my 29th article. It was 28 that I wrote. And, it happens. I think people that know that we don't take our responsibilities lightly, and we do everything to ensure that not only do we do it with integrity, but that we do it with integrity.
Where this concerns you more, I think, than it does now. I mean, what perception of reality, how much do you still worry about that?
I think you do everything you can, and then you go with it. When the lottery takes place, you invite all the teams representatives. You invite 4 members of the media in. You have Kristen Young, who's one of the accounting firms certified. And then there's not much of a sense to look at it here. Supposedly the frozen, the frozen chart or something like that. And it's all through the light there, really, because ESPN, that magazine, which is a Bible of something, unless you read Sports Illustrated, had it, there it was again this week over controversies, but they concluded that we got a clean bill of health.
One of the guys who was the subject of that